Today, we are going to go over product attributes and variations within 118 CBD. So what is a product attribute? A product attribute is an important piece of information you can store against your product. For example, I've created CBD oil as an example product and added 3 attributes: the volume in milliliters, the CBD percentage, and the type, which is full spectrum. All of these attributes that can be easily seen by users viewing your products. Instead of having to read through the product descriptions, they can quickly and easily view the important information about your product. Out of these 3 attributes, the CBD percentage is also a variation, and that means users can buy either 10%, 20%, or 30% strengths of this bottle, all of them being 10 milliliters and full spectrum. Over here on the right hand side, users can change the percentage, which in turn will update the price. So now I'm going to show you how you can add attributes to your products. From the seller dashboard, if you go to products, and I'm going to use CBD gummy bears as an example. If you scroll down below lab certification, you'll see attribute. Here we've pre-populated a list of attributes you can use and assign to your products. If there's any you'd like us to add, at the bottom of the page there's a hyperlink called Request Product Attributes, and you can complete that form to let us know of any you'd like us to add. For this product, I'm going to add the CBD amount in milligrams, and that's going to be 300 milligrams. And I'm also going to add the type, and we'll say it's broad spectrum. So if we save those attributes, and now I'm also going to add the weight. So the weight is under the shipping and tax section, and it's in grams. So we're going to say the packet is 300 grams. So we're going to save that. And the product will now have a pending review status. So I'm just going to approve that my side. Okay, so if I refresh the product, you can see it's now online. And if I go to products and view the product, you can see the information is clearly visible: the weight, the CBD amount in milligrams, and the type, which is broad spectrum. So what if you want to add variations? If you head over to your seller dashboard, go to products, and choose the product you'd like to add the variations to. I'm going to use CBD flower. The first thing you want to do is change the product type from simple to variable. That will remove the price fields. And if you go down below lab certification, you'll see attribute and variation. So I'm going to add the weight. Now, unlike the previous product, I'm not going to use the weight field in shipping and tax, because I'd like the weight to be variable, so users could buy either 1 gram, 3.5 grams, or 7 grams. And we're going to enable on the left-hand side used for variations. Now I'm also going to add the CBD amount as a percentage. We're going to say these flowers have 21%. Now, before you can add the variations, you need to save the attributes. So we're going to save these attributes, and then we get a new option, and that is to create the variations from all the attributes. And what this will do is it will loop over the previous settings, and anywhere used for variations is enabled, it will create a variation for each value. In this case, 1 gram, 3.5 grams, and 7 grams. So I'm going to click go, and you might get some pop-ups just warning you. So read and accept those if you're happy. Then you can see we've got the 3 variations here. And then at the variation level, you can set the image, manage the stock, the SKUs, and the prices. So I'm going to set the price to be £10, £20, and say £35. And on the right hand side over here, you can change the default weight. So when someone views your product, instead of them having to choose an option, you can make it default to 1 gram, for example. So if we save the variations, and I'm going to save the product, the product will go into a pending review status. You can see the product is now online. So if we go to products and look for the flour, you can see the weight and the CBD percentage is now easily visible. And on the right hand side, users can change the weight from 1 to 3.5 to 7 grams, and the price will update. So why are product attributes so important? Well, when a user goes to compare your product, for example, the CBD flours and CBD oil, now this isn't a real world scenario because people aren't likely to compare these two products. They're more likely to compare different CBD oils. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to compare these two. And if we go to our compare list, and if we scroll down, you can see the description, the availability, the user rating, and the attributes. So here you can see the weight, the CBD percentage, and the volume, and the type. Now, if these were both oils, for example, this information would be a lot more useful because you'd have the same fields populated on both sides. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. If you're already a vendor, contact us on support@118cbd.com. And if you're not a vendor and you'd like to learn more, please contact us on contact@118cbd.com. Thank you.